Alright, let's look at it. It's your motion is good, the leg motion is good, just too slow. Alright, much too slow. Be careful, you know, when you're like that on one leg, try to rebalance a little bit more the other way on the leg that is on the floor. Alright, it's a little bit more natural. You know what I'm saying? You need to switch a little bit more like that. Alright, a little bit, not as much, but you know, like that. Now, you see, if I play it faster, like that, look. See, it'll start to look better. Um, your arm shouldn't stay like that, though. You shouldn't bring them down before. See, they're not doing much for a while. Right here to right there, they're not doing much. Your arms, do something with them. Alright, this is important. Move them a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Do something with it. Besides that, it looks pretty good. And then speed it up. Thanks.